Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up weekly or monthly email summaries in Empower. If you want to stay on top of your finances without logging in every day, Empower can send you weekly or monthly summaries right to your inbox. The first point is why use email summaries. Now, they give you a snapshot of spendings, income account balances, and net worth trends so that you're always aware of your money flow. Now, for how to set it up, just go to Settings, Notifications, or Communication Preferences, and then select how often you want summaries. Could be weekly, monthly, or both. Next is what's included. You're going to get highlights like your biggest expenses, changes in investments, upcoming bills, and net worth updates. And you can also customize, so you can also adjust which accounts are included so that the report stays relevant to your financial goals. Set up email summaries and let Empower keep you informed so you can track your progress even on busy days. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.